Okay, here's just a quick window sanding tip. Just for sanding around windows. Now I've been fooling around with it this morning. I've got this new Dremel tool I've been trying to use, and it actually works fairly good if you're patient, and probably expensive. I've tried to use the old Ryobi 18 volt. This thing is just too gnarly to get up close to that glass. It's just too uncontrollable, and you're going to end up scratching the glass. I have a fine multi-tool that uses these, and then this will get you pretty close too. But mine's broken because I can't get any of the pads to stick to the, I can't get this pad to stick to that. And I gave up on them years ago, and I just haven't used it for sanding anymore, and it's really disappointing because I can see that it would be a good tool. Now that one's sticking really nice. I swear I tried that earlier and it didn't stick, but what happens is it just seems to slide off. But that's so good right there. Come on, I'll try that again. But what the tip is here, you take your razor blade and you just come in here and use it like a planer, and it just comes right off. You know, you might cut that little bit of silicone off there, but you don't want to dig the silicone out. So that works like a champ. Now with this Olfa, it doesn't work very good on side-to-side motion. It breaks the blades a lot, so you have to be careful with that. That's the only drawback on this one, and I can live with that. And plus, you can get a new sharper blade out there real easy by just breaking one off, and then you've got a really sharp thing. So you got all the corners. It just goes right along there. Get it on there. See, it just digs right in.